What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to BB's Collectibles. My name is BB, and this is my first video in a while. I'm very happy to be back. And yeah, I really missed recording. I've been trying to focus on school. I know I've said that before, but it's just I'm trying to, I guess, find a balance. But I still really enjoy doing this, and I want to continue doing it. So here I am with another video. And today I have a pretty cool video for you guys. It's gonna be the first time I'm doing this on camera, I guess. But before I get into all of that, let me just talk about what I have here. So yesterday I was out at my local mall and I picked up two of these Dragon Ball model kits, and I really love model kits because I really like building, like seeing things coming together and knowing that I did it. It's really fun. So I reviewed two previously. I'm not sure if I moved the videos over from my old channel, but I did the Ultimate Gohan and Krillin model kits before, and then after that I didn't get any more. So I saw this one, and my other one, the box is somewhere. I'll talk about the other figure at another time. But yeah, especially this one, because if you don't know, Vegeta is my all-time favorite Dragon Ball character, which I know might surprise some people because a lot of people's favorite characters like Goku and whatnot, but I really like Vegeta. So yeah, I picked this one up and I was really excited, and I managed to finish building both of them yesterday. So yeah, this box here is just for show because all that's in here is empty plastic frames. But I just wanted to show you guys this box because I think it's really cool. So you have a picture of Vegeta right there. Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan, if you couldn't tell by the blue hair. These are the figurized standard Funimation right there. See Dragon Ball Super, you see Vegeta with his Final Flash blast effect. Got Bandai down here. Then on the side, you have some more of the same stuff. Him in a cross arm pose. On this back piece, there's really nothing there because it's just a box. Then on here, we got some nice looking stuff. Let me try and focus this on here. You see there's a little bio on Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Vegeta. There's him versus Rose Goku Black. There's some more information about the muscle structure. And then there's some more model kits down there. We got Super Saiyan Trunks, Krillin, which I've already done, Son Goku, and Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Goku. There's some warnings here, some in English, some in Japanese. And then on this side is more stuff, warnings. These model kits are for 15 and up, and they have very small pieces, so it's a choking hazard for small children. So I don't recommend giving this to a child. But yeah, so basically that's the box. So now I'm going to show you the completed figure here. If it'll focus for me. Give me a second. Here we go. Here is the completed model kit figure. And yeah, it's pretty cool. I like building these and like seeing an action figure form come out of it. So I guess I'll go over what he comes with first, because I'll do it like a regular figure review. So he comes with, let me start. Let's see. He comes with two blast effects. We'll start with that. So this is his Final Flash blast effect. It's translucent, as you can tell, and it has these cool little lightning parts right here. And it comes with this stand. Each model kit comes with a little plastic stand that you can port the blast beam into. So he has this Final Flash one, and he also has, if you take these electric pieces off, he has his Big Bang attack right here. They're both this translucent yellow color. So that's pretty cool. I always enjoy the model kits because they do come with some pretty great accessories that normal figures might not come with, which I think it aids in the aesthetic, I guess. So now onto hands. You can see on this, he has two fisted hands. He also comes with these two wide open hands. These are for the Big Bang attack because you know his hand is like that. So I guess you can do it on either side. And then he has his like, I'm going to call them power clinching hands right here. This is for like the final flash blast effect right there. You can see it's just this white plastic. There's really nothing on it. And now for Vegeta's head, the head does come off. And kind of like SH Figure Arts, the faceplate can come off. So right here, this is the screaming face that I already had on here. Try and get that to focus on his face. Is it going to focus on the face? I don't think it's going to focus on the face. Let me try this. Okay, there we go. So you can see right here. Now the eyes and the eyebrows are sculpted in one piece, like back here. The tongue in there I actually had to put in. It was a sticker. Most model kits, they come with stickers, but this one he only came with the tongue sticker, so that was kind of nice because I didn't have to do anything really because the stickers are very small and easy to like rip and lose. And here is the smug face Vegeta head sculpt right there. Not head sculpt, faceplate right here. And yeah, both of them are very expressive. And to pop them on, there's a little slit right here that lines up with the slit back here, and you just pop it on like so. And yeah, it's pretty cool. You just pop the head back on. So yeah, it comes with two different faces, so that's good. Now let's go into his articulation. Now these model kits are generally decently articulated. Can look down about that far. Can look up about that far, but there's a ugly gap right by his neck right there. Arms, they can go all the way up like this. They can go a little higher too. I'm trying to keep him in focus. They, let me see, they do go all the way around here. He has single jointed elbows right there. The wrist hinges about like that on a little ball joint. His biceps do swivel. His crunch, these model kits normally, they don't crunch very far. So his ab crunch is limited. He has the upper torso swivel like that. And he has the waist swivel down here. Legs, the legs can kick out pretty far. If I can get it to focus again. Let me see. Okay, there we go. The legs kick out quite far. Let's see, they can kick up about that far. Back about that far. You can see the inside of the joint right there. There's no thigh swivel. Let's see, knees. He has a single jointed knee, and it looks kind of like a weird disc thing in there. Oh, this came off. That's fine. You just pop that back on. There's no boot swivel or anything. His ankles, they hinge down just a tad bit like that, and they swivel a little bit. So as for articulation, it's pretty decent. It's nothing amazing, but it is pretty cool because when you build these, you get to like build the joints and construct them yourselves. So it's pretty cool to see what they can actually do. All right, so now that that is done with, now to the thing I was talking about, the thing that I haven't done on camera before. Today, for the first time, I'm going to be trying to basically, I don't want to say customize, like I'm going to be adding shading, I guess. Is that how you say? Anyway, I'm going to be applying stuff to the figure because you can see it's pretty bare bones. Like it's all molded plastic. So I'm going to be adding some details. That's the word, details onto him. And I decided to try it on camera because I normally don't do it on camera because it's kind of a weird angle to look at, but I can see over my camera because of how it's angled. So yeah, we're gonna try that today. So I'll just move this. I want to keep this here for background because everything is gonna look weird. So I'm going to be doing that by using alcohol markers here. Right here. There's a wide variety of colors that I can use. But let's see, what was I gonna do first? Okay, so I got my colors. I've got this acetone here, just in case I need it to fix any mistakes, or I'm gonna see if I can try to get some of these extra plastic pieces off of here. Actually, they're not too bad on Vegeta. We might just go straight into the stuff. All right, so the things that we're going to be doing are, you can see like the muscle definition. I'm going to be adding shading in there. I'm going to be adding detail onto the battle armor, and then a little bit of shading maybe on the face sculpt and the neck, and maybe the hair if I can figure out how to do that. And to my left, I do have my computer right here because I'm going to be looking at some reference as I do this, just so I have a basic idea of what I'm going for. Let me see. Yeah, just so I have a rough idea of what I want. Okay, I found a good picture. So first off is probably choosing our colors. So this is a pretty dark blue on here, and I need a darker tone to achieve what I want. So we'll go look in the bag. Let's see what we got. Let me see, where's this stuff? So we've got this blue right here. And then I'll also do a bit of shading on the gloves too. There goes Vegeta. And this will be for the fine detailing. Sorry if it's a little chaotic. Like I said, it's the first time I'm doing this. And my process when I'm off camera is kind of like go with the flow. And it's kind of hard to go with the flow when there's like 3 feet between me and the flow, because I have to reach over everything. But that's fine. So let's see what we got. We got the blue, got a gray, got the black. Let's see what we need. That should be pretty much it, just for starting, because I want to see how this is gonna go on here first. So I'm gonna take his head off. I'm gonna do the face last. So let's see what we can do. So this is called Napoleon Blue. I want to see if it will look different on here. So this is the first stroke, everybody. All right, yeah, that actually looks pretty good. Okay, we didn't destroy the figure in the first attempt. So all I'm going to be doing basically is highlighting all the fine line details in the crevice areas to try and give it a little more depth. Let me see. When I do this, I'm probably not going to be talking, so just bear with me. And the acetone is to clean up any mistakes. So for this first go around, I'm just going to go straight through. I'm going to look at my reference pictures. So all of these details in here is basically what I'm going to be marking with the darker shade. Oof. Yeah, you see how I'm getting messy over here? Oh, it comes off with my finger, so that's good. What do you guys think of model kits? I think they're pretty cool. I find them kind of stimulating because whenever I'm building one, I really don't do anything but focus on building it. And it's quite calming. Let me see. Let me try to rub this off. Right there. And after this is done, if you go over it with some of the acetone, it kind of takes off the surface piece, and it normally leaves the detailing in, like the small fine details. Let me see. Let's see what we got so far. All right, so here's the comparison so far. You can see it looks a bit different. It's a little hard to tell on camera. I can see it in person a little better. But yep, let's just keep going. Should I mark the upper bicep area? All right, let's see. Okay, let's go to the other arm. In fact, I'm just gonna pull his arm off so I can hold it closer to me. I apologize if I'm really close to the camera. I'm just gonna look at this really closely. I apologize for that loud swallow sound. Like I said, I'm very... There it goes, I dropped it. Very close to the camera. I still want you guys to be able to see the process, but I don't want to just like mess up. So... Are you guys excited for the new Dragon Ball Super movie that's coming out? I'm not exactly sure when it's coming out. I just know that it is. A lot of people are a bit upset, I guess you could say, with the animation choice. It does look a little weird, but I'm sure the movie will be pretty good. Most Dragon Ball movies are good anyway. So I don't think we have much to worry about. Mm. Okay. Oof, hit my light. So here is the detailing so far. This is just the first little area that I'm doing. I did the arms first just to kind of test out the waters, I guess you could say. I could go darker. I could have just went straight black, but I wanted to test out the blue look first. And I kind of like that. So we'll keep going with the legs. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, how does that look for you guys? I know you can't respond, but it's kind of eerie quiet in here. I like to rub it off with my finger because that also kind of makes the color go to different areas. Like if I want to darken some other parts. Let me pull up an image really quick. Also, wiping it off makes the shading look a little more subtle than it actually is. All right, so now let's go here. I enjoy doing like customizations mainly because of like the freeing aspect. Because at the end of the day, when you customize something, it is your like choice of what you want it to look like. So I guess there's something kind of freeing about being able to take something and put your own ideas into it and then to see it come to life and knowing that it isn't like anybody else's and is unique to you. I guess that's kind of a cool thing to think about. And that's kind of the feeling I get when I do anything like customization to my figure because I know it's something only I have and I was able to do it. So I just think that's a pretty cool feeling. And if anybody would like to try customizing, I really recommend it. Like a customization doesn't have to be anything big. Like I know a lot of people think customization, they think, oh, sculpting work and all this other stuff. I wouldn't be able to do that. But a customization is really anything that you add special to your figure that's not on anyone else's. It can be the smallest little thing, but you did that, so you should be proud of it. So, yeah, I think if anyone's ever even thought about doing something like that, then you should give it a try. And there's really nothing, you can't really make a mistake if you are just doing it for fun. Because whenever I mess up something, I just turn it into another idea. Or make it look intentional. But yeah, I guess that's just my 2 cents about customizing stuff. Let me see here. All right. So once this first level here is finished, like this, I will go over it with a deeper tone. Well, not deeper tone, but I guess another like shading, just to add some more details to it. See what we got here. All right, so that's the legs pretty much finished. Now about the like pelvis area. Oh, I got some blue on his shoes. We do not want that. The pelvis area is gonna be a different looking thing. So basically what I'm gonna do is take this. Let me see how this works. I'm gonna try color on it and then wipe. That did not seem to work. I'm trying to achieve like the illusion of some shading on here. I don't think that was the right way to try and achieve that. Let me see. Like that here. Hmm. If this doesn't work out, I can always just erase it. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. I keep saying hmm. I'm gonna try and take that off really quick. Hopefully it doesn't eat through Vegeta. I also hope that my video does not cut off. Let's see if it takes it off. Okay, yeah, it does. If the video does cut off, because I'm not sure how much storage I do have. Hope you guys are enjoying this so far. If it does cut off, then I will probably make a part 2. Hopefully it doesn't cut off. I've almost gotten all of this off. All right, there we go. So that's pretty much off of there. I didn't like how it was turning out. But okay. So now let's get into some of the line work. Let me find my picture. We're gonna go in with a black marker here. And I think it's pretty straightforward. I think we just have to outline the stuff. Okay, this is something I don't know if I'll be able to do on the camera. Let me see. I think this marker might be too thick. Let me see what I can do with this. My ideal plan was to take this and to go over the detailing of the armor. But I'm afraid it might be too big and it might like smudge everything. Let's just see what we can do. We'll come back to the black. We're gonna go to this, which is a gray. And this is gonna go for my detailing on my gloves. If I can get this blue off. So basically I want it to be like in there like that. So the idea is to go over it pretty generously, because you can barely see it, and then like wipe it off. That's the idea. Like right there. These smaller parts are harder to do on camera. I don't know if you guys can even tell that I put anything on here. At least not from the camera. I had no plan of being able to finish this all on camera. I'm realizing this is a pretty long video. So I think I'm going to cut it right here. And then I'm going to make a follow-up video relatively soon about the progress. Might upload some of those short videos to show what I've been able to do. But yeah, so far, here's what we've done. We've got the shading on the arms and the legs, and started some on the gloves. I will, like I said, make some update videos for you all. Hope you guys enjoyed this kind of new and weird experience. But yeah, I think I've made decent progress so far, and I can't wait to see what I'm able to do in the future. Ooh, my voice went up really high. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Like and share this with anyone you think would be interested. And comment down below what your favorite Dragon Ball Z or Dragon Ball Super characters are. It can be from either or both. It doesn't matter, just as long as you comment. But yeah, thanks guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next review. Peace.